Hi everyone, welcome to Lawyer Stuff. My name is Snigdha and today I'll introduce you to top 10 law related movies. And I promise the suggestions will blow your mind. Let's begin. The first one is Marshall. Marshall is a 2017 movie based on an early trial in the long career of Supreme Court Justice Thurgood Marshall, the first African American Supreme Court Justice, played by Chadwick Boseman, our favorite Black Panther. The movie follows Sir Thurgood as he travels to Connecticut to defend a black chauffeur charged with sexual assault and attempted murder of his white employer. The case led to Marshall's creation of NAACP Legal Defense Fund. It is considered as one of the best criminal court trial movies. The second one is surely my favorite, ERIN Brockovich. In the film, Julia Roberts plays the role of a legal assistant who helps win one of the largest settlements ever against a California power company, accused of polluting a city's water supply. Based on a true story, the film is surely ahead of its time, bringing attention to the environmental crime as well as the misogynistic views of the 90s. It was also very satisfying to see the character development which Erin underwent throughout the film. It is one of the best movies I've ever seen. The third one is 12 Angry Men, IMDb rating 9. This classic legal drama starring Henry Fonda is about a single juror attempting to prevent a miscarriage of justice by forcing his colleagues to reconsider the evidence. The film is a good reminder that jurors are humans and they come into the courtroom with their own experiences and that impacts the way they view the case. And it's one of the perfect examples of how beautiful a film can be if it focuses on story, character, and obviously conflict. The fourth one is Michael Clayton. While most of the legal films focus on the lawyer's pursuit of justice, Michael Clayton takes a slightly different approach by focusing on a fixer brought in by a law firm to clean things up after a lawyer has a breakdown while representing a chemical company he knows is guilty. The movie will leave you scrolling through the model rules of professional conduct, and I'm very sure that you will develop a certain amount of respect for George Clooney as an actor. Watch it. The fifth one, you must have heard the name, To Kill a Mockingbird. The movie is about a self-assured lawyer, Atticus Finch. In Gregory Peck's Oscar-winning performance, he stands up for a crippled black man framed for raping a lonely white woman. The controversial case set in Depression era of Alabama tackles the issue of racism while balancing Finch's role as a father to 6-year-old Scout and her brother Jim. Must watch. The sixth one is The Verdict. Frank Galvin, a lawyer succumbed to alcohol completely, is assigned the case of medical malpractice, and he decides to take the case on trial even though all parties are willing for an outside court settlement. It's Paul Newman's best performance on screen, and each time you see this movie, it gets better. The seventh one is A Few Good Men. This movie deals with the question whether doing something wrong for the greater good justifies the means. The charismatic Tom Cruise plays the role of a military lawyer, Daniel Kaffee, and full of suspense and intrigue, this courtroom drama revolves around two Marines from a naval base who are being court-martialed for the death of another. You must watch it. The eighth one is Court. It is a national award winner. It is one of the most underrated movies. It is a multilingual movie which visualizes the most powerful trial. It is a very beautiful movie. The movie is about an activist who's a protest singer and he gets falsely accused of encouraging a manhole worker to commit suicide, being inspired by one of his folk songs. The way the allegations against him are proved wrong in the court is a must-watch. Ninth one is Anatomy of a Murder. Semi-retired Michigan lawyer Paul Beagley takes the case of an army lieutenant, Mannion, who murdered a local innkeeper after his wife claimed that he raped her. Over the course of an extensive trial, Beagley tries to set his client free, but the case rests on victim's mysterious business partner who's hiding a dark secret. Anatomy of a Murder is tense, thought-provoking, and brilliantly acted movie. The 10th one is My Cousin Vinny. Vinny, an inexperienced lawyer, steps in to defend his cousin Billy and his friend Stan in his first ever trial after they are accused of murdering a convenience store owner. The script of My Cousin Vinny is predictable, but the result is sharp, hilarious courtroom drama. It's very funny. I hope this video helps you to binge watch some good movies, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a beautiful day.